This video will introduce the Surface Wall Mount Speaker built and designed by Wasiga Labs. This IP speaker supports SIP, Informacast, and multicast paging. It powers a second independent Wasiga surface mount speaker up to 20 meters away. This speaker includes two onboard relays for door lock control or any relay control products. It features integrated status LED and raceway knockouts, and is compatible with sound reinforcement panels and standard panic buttons. For power, you will need a PoE switch and a Cat5 or Cat6 cable running to the primary speaker port's LAN PoE port on the backside of the speaker. Take an Ethernet cable and plug it into the master speaker's second speaker port, running to the primary speaker port, powering the secondary speaker. Here we have our master and secondary speaker configured to listen to background music set to a low priority. And to show off their interdependence, we'll be placing a SIP phone call set to a higher priority.
This is a SIP phone calling the master speaker. This is a SIP phone calling the secondary speaker.
As shown, both speakers act interdependent of each other through one power source and half of the wiring cost. Today we'll demonstrate how to set a door lock to be triggered by an emergency broadcast system. Under the relay section, we'll configure the door lock by selecting the relay function to general purpose output. For the multicast account to trigger relay Dropbox, select RTP Multicast High Priority and activate output for when the broadcast starts and deactivate output for when the broadcast ends. Connecting the door lock to the surface mount speaker requires a twisted 20 to 26 gauge wire attached to the door lock, running the negative wire to the speaker's relay number 1 common pin and positive wire to the normally open pin. The door lock shown here requires a secondary power source. Check your door lock specifications for your powering needs. Here we are demonstrating the surface mount speaker's door lock relay capabilities with a wired magnetic control door lock. It will be triggered by an RTP streaming broadcast set to a higher priority. As you can see, the lock is unmagnetized prior to the broadcast.
Attention, lockdown, lockdown, lock the doors, stay away from the windows.
After the broadcast is finished, the door lock resumes its unlocked position. Thank you for watching and visit our website for more information.